Just kind of a shout out to a couple of the teachers that did make a difference for me. Mrs. A, my sixth grade teacher, because I feel like she really helped to teach our class how to be kind to each other and she taught us that our class is a team. And then also Lori Kopaz, who was at Highland High School, and she's who I student taught under. And so I've just really inspired by her community-based program for her students. I know that in special ed in particular, there is a real shortage of students that are going into college for this field, but I'm kind of in a unique position here at school to be able to offer insight to the gen ed students here as to what it would be like to be a special educator through our peer tutor program. And we've worked really hard to kind of build this over the years. And it's really great. We've got about 30 peer tutors per semester in our class, so it's about 6 per period. It really gives me a lot of hope for the future. I feel like this up and coming generation really has a unique ability to see beyond the labels, and they exhibit kindness that really makes a big difference. For my students with special needs, I think that they would say that they can do it and they can do things by themselves and be able to take a lot of pride in the independence that they've learned in our class. And for my peers, tutors that come in, I think that they would be able to say that they've learned how to see their peers with special needs just as equals and as peers.